Go. Oons, oons. Mortal Kombat. Do you think the slinky will work down these steps?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're really not. They're about the same size as me. Yeah. That slinky sounds like mine. It can't control its purpose. Maybe that's why it was at the dollar store.
Here we go. Slinky down the steps.
Oh!
Oh, go Slinky, go Slinky, go!
Yay! Slinky!
Yeah!
Not totally expected, but...
So I totally made it. I'm totally skilled. I made it all the way down.
You have to build your purpose.
The only purpose it had to go down the stairs at where are we? Martin?
You? Wow. Are you shitting me?
What?
Walk underneath that. Do you have to bend or anything?
Let's see you walk underneath it.
How about no?
Why not?
Because.
Douchebag. My butt slapped you. Shag.
Okay, I definitely almost walked into a squirrel that was right here today. And it gave me that crackhead look.
Like I was like, what is
Like that, yeah. There you go.
What is he doing?